What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another throwback video, guys. Just showing you guys these videos until I'm able to take you guys to the auction with me. Let's go ahead and go over this car. I'm not too proud of this car at all, guys, but let's go ahead and get into it. As you can see, the bumper's all messed up. I'm pretty much just about to dog this car out. I bought two of these before, but I don't plan on buying another one ever again, man, because these cars are just horrible. This was a 2013 Chrysler 200 touring edition. And the crazy thing about this car, guys, that it only had 92,000 miles, guys. So 92,000 miles, and this car was not the best car to me, man. I ended up spending $3,300 on this car. I'm gonna just go ahead and tell you guys right now, I paid $3,300 for it, and I sold it for $27, guys. So I took a loss on this car, guys. I was just trying to get my money back out of this car. It wasn't a lot of people interested or anything, guys. I guess these cars here, they don't sell too good. But yeah, man, I had bought two of these. You're gonna see another one in an upcoming throwback video, but as of right now, we're gonna go ahead and go over this one, man. 2013 Chrysler 200, had low miles, good tires and everything, but didn't nobody really want it, man. And I don't know, guys, this car was just a bad buy. Paying $3,300 for it, and then ended up selling it for $27, and it was a 2013, so I thought I'd get more money for it, but no, sir, it was pretty bad. As you can see, the interior was decent. Go ahead on the other side for you guys. As you can see, interior was kind of decent and everything. Nice and clean. Wasn't nothing going on with this bad boy. The AC worked, the heat worked. Yeah, guys, I really don't have too much to say about this one. And it has some tape right there for the little armrest part, but don't have too much to say about this one, guys. This was a bad buy. Lost money on it. You guys let me know what you guys think. $2,700. That's what I sold it for. But what you guys think about what I paid for it? $3,300. I mean, of course, I paid too much, I feel. But what you guys think? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. But like it if you could please help me out. Can't wait to start taking you guys to the auction with me. Got a lot of content coming for you guys soon. I'll catch you on the next throwback, guys. Peace.